Boy, them never tell you about Sisera, the man who think him chariots could mash up Israel. But just send a black woman with fire in her belly if you deal with him. This your story now go sweet for Babylon ears. But it's truth me I tell ya. Battle strategy. Deborah, she not sit pretty like them white paintings show. No sir, she command from under the palm tree. Soldiers come for her word like harvest time. Barak did one run, she tell him straight, "Gallant man, victory go come from a woman hand today." And when them 900 iron chariots roll in, she lead them straight into the Kishon River. Wet up them fancy machines till them sink like Pharaoh army. Jael's twist. Now hear the sweet part. Sisera run like push from rain. Think him safe in a jail tent. But the milk where she give him? That never regular milk. The man drink and fall deep asleep. Till boom, tent peg through him temple. No scream, no fight. Just one henna-tattooed hand making sure him now rise again. Whitewash call out, righteous anger. Then them Europeans come long after and try for paint her like some blue-eyed choir girl. Stepping pon the real Deborah. Dark skin, wide nose, hair coil tight for battle. Me say, take your lies go. AI don't lie. Our face did strong like Tabor rock. Modern lesson, finger wagging wisdom. Today, them still try for quiet our song, but every time a sister preacher, soldier gal stand firm, Deborah's spirit rise. So you think woman shan lead? Hush him out and read Judges 5 again. If this bless your heart, leave almond below. Share if you make them college boys know say Bible realer than them think. Jah guide.